Okay, for the last subchapter, we're gonna talk about nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are one or two polymer chain comprising of nucleotide monomers. It is formed from the elements of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Each nucleotide consists of a pentose sugar, 5-carbon sugar, a nitrogenous base, and a phosphate group. So there are two types of nucleic acid. The first one is deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and it contains deoxyribose sugar. And the other one is ribonucleic acid, RNA, and it contains ribose sugar. So let's move on to the deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. DNA consists of two polynucleotide chains that are intertwined in opposite direction and form the double helix. The nitrogenous base group on both polynucleotide chains are matched and bound together by hydrogen bond. So there are 4 nitrogenous bases, which are adenine A, thymine T, guanine G, and cytosine C. Adenine will pair with thymine, while guanine will pair with cytosine. And this is what it's meant by the double helix. And as you can see, this is thymine paired with adenine, and also cytosine paired with guanine. And this green one is deoxyribose sugar, and this yellow one is phosphate group. And the next one is ribonucleic acid, RNA. RNA is a single polynucleotide chain which is shorter compared to DNA. It also has 4 nitrogenous bases, which is adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Thymine in DNA is replaced by uracil in RNA. And there are a few types of RNA, which is messenger RNA, mRNA, ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and the last one is transfer RNA, tRNA. And RNA is involved in the protein synthesis process. So what is the importance of nucleic acid in cell? DNA is important as a carrier of hereditary information and a determinant of characteristics in living organisms. It also contains genetic codes carried by nitrogenous base. The genetic codes is written as a series of 3 bases that determine the sequence of amino acid in protein to be synthesized. And for the last part of this subchapter, we're going to talk about the formation of chromosome from DNA and protein. So, chromosomes are formed from DNA polynucleotide chain that are wound around a protein called histone. Histone do not carry any genetic information, okay? And DNA molecules combine with histone protein to form nucleosomes. Nucleosomes are intertwined to form the chromosome structure. So, as you can see here, okay, this is the DNA, and this is where the DNA combine with histone, and then it form chromosome, that the one that we have in the cell. And that's all from me. Thank you.